Hello everyone, my name is Lalit Kumar and I am working as an art conservator with INTACH. Today I am going to discuss about conservation and restoration of taxidermy. I would be discussing in general what kind of problem are faced in taxidermy and different ways of conservation and restoration. Let's start with the introduction. Taxidermy is a general term describing the different method of preserving an animal skin by stuffing or mounting them over an artificial armature. There are different ways to display or preserve the taxidermy on a mount. The complexity of a mount can range from a simple animal skin like tiger or shoulder mount displaying the animal skin and head to full body presentations including diorama featuring large game such as bear and loins. History of taxidermy. The first known taxidermists were the ancient Egyptians, who were preserving and mummifying the pharaohs, dogs, cats, monkey, birds, and burying them in tombs. But the actual process of mounting and stuffing of animal started in 15th century, where taxidermy mounts were made of sawdust, rugs, and cotton. These mounts were not stable and caused structural failure, and this didn't let taxidermy to gain popularity during 15th century. Taxidermy gained popularity during Victorian period, that is around mid 19th century to early 20th century. During this period, it became a popular way for natural history scientists to preserve and examine foreign species they would never see otherwise. Hunting games and displaying taxidermy trophies become popular. Talented taxidermists developed new technique of preserving skin and mounting that even allowed them to portray animals with lifelike accuracy. During this period, mounts were made of wood, resin, and plaster of Paris. Victorian period taxidermy involved new method of preserving skins by using preservatives such as arsenic soaps and metallic salts that were highly toxic, and care must be taken while handling these specimens. The mounts prepared during this period were made of metal armature, wood, plaster of Paris, and sawdust. They were very heavy and attracted insect attack that then destroyed the animal skin. Modern taxidermy. Nowadays, taxidermy is produced using non-toxic methods and uses more lightweight and synthetic material for mounting. Skins are removed and tanned before being stretched over polyurethane and resin foams. Horns and antlers securely attached to the mount, and high quality glass eye provide a lifelike spark. The rapid extinction of species in nature has now increased the value of taxidermy collection. Problem in taxidermy objects. Taxidermy specimens are composite material in nature and contain a variety of organic materials such as fur and skin, as well as inorganic materials such as glass and foam. Being a composite material in nature, there are internal stress and strains created due to the differential behavior of organic and inorganic component to fluctuation in temperature and humidity. The organic components react to change in temperature and humidity more and suffer damages in very high humidity and very dry conditions. Dry conditions causes delamination or cracking in horns, bones and shells. Skins and leathers contract and shrinks, which eventually leads to cracking, tearing and splitting. Hair losses also occurs. High humidity and moist environment can promote mold growth and attract pests. Skins will contract and swell due to humidity fluctuation, which may again lead to cracking and splitting due to tension and loss. Exposed to direct sunlight leads to bleaching of the natural pigments from both fur and feather and is irreversible. Composed of skin, hair, and feather, and often stuffed with organic material, they are very susceptible to attack by a wide variety of insect pests. Insects progressively degrade a specimen by boring holes and channels. Insects may also graze on fur and feather and causes losses. Damage to mount or object could be due to improper handling, accident, natural disaster, vandalism, or theft. Improper mount and mounting, improper skin preservation and preparation will also lead to damage of the taxidermy object. Conservation methodology. INTACH Conservation Institute, Delhi, specialized in undertaking conservation of all kinds of objects, such as painting, sculpture, paper object, textile, and taxidermy. I will be discussing the conservation methodology adopted at ICI along with some case studies. Pest treatment. Specimen with active infestation may be sealed in a airtight envelope that cause death of larvae and adults. Additionally, suitable insecticide may also be introduced in the envelope. Cleaning. Taxidermy specimens can gather dirt and dust over time and may only need basic remedial treatment to be conserved. Basic cleaning can be done on a regular basis to help keep specimen in good condition. Soft brush, which will help loosen particulate that have built up, is used in this particular case. Solvent cleaning. For particularly dirty furs, conservator may opt to mild detergent cleaning. Chemical and solvent use should be kept minimal while dealing with taxidermy, as some solvent can lead to more problems in taxidermy due to its nature of composite material. Stabilization and softening of skin. Fibrous protein of skin such as collagen, keratin structure become more prone to further degradation from change in temperature and humidity. Stabilization process helps in stopping these changes in fibrous protein. In this particular case, stabilization and softening of skin is undertaken using suitable solvent mixed with glycerin and neutral pH consolidant to enhance the strength and flexibility of fur as well as skin. Fill materials may be used on taxidermy specimens to correct area of losses, gaps, and holes. Different method and material are applied depending on the object. Inherent fabric, cellulose material like paper tissue, sawdust, etc., combined with synthetic adhesive, resin, and starch paste may be used. Scientific testing is done to identify binder according to their long-term compatibility with the taxidermy object. The aim is ultimately not only to find the binder but also to choose its method of application and preparation. Sawdust along with additives and suitable adhesive was used to fill the gaps in the bullhead. Recreation of losses. There are different ways of recreating lost skin and hair area, like adding skin from another animal or taking hairs or skin from less important area and placing them over lost areas. In this particular case, synthetic skin has been used to replace lost areas. Synthetic skin was chosen because it is reversible with optimum effectiveness and without risking damage to the surrounding skin or hair area. Synthetic hair replacement. Hair were fixed using pH neutral adhesive. Synthetic skin and hair were chosen after testing their flexibility, reversibility, good aging property, non reactivity with the original material. Trimming and coloring of hair was done to match it to the surrounding area. Different dyes and colors were tested for finding a suitable color medium to color rehairing area, small exposed area of fill, and skin losses. After testing of different color and dyes, finally pigment colors that are reversible and not faded considerably during test were applied. The following image will show the results of conservation treatment. Before and after conservation treatment of bull detail. Year of bull trophy before and after recreation. Before and after conservation treatment of bull trophy. Detail of structurally damaged leopard skin before and after. Before and after of deer trophy and details of deer restoration. INTACH Conservation Institutes are located at different parts of the country and dedicatedly working on conservation and restoration of various forms of art objects, which range from paintings, textiles, wooden objects, stone objects, and wall painting. For further information, the details of the centers are provided here. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more information on conservation of different art forms that required scientific expertise in conservation and restoration. You can also view our previous uploads, Conservation Project, Museum of Christian Art, Goa, presented by Marin Anil. Thank you for your attention.